So these are laptop adapters. Let's see if they are any good. Let's see this one and this one. Is it the same? Yeah, as expected, they are duplicate. So how many do we have? So you think that you're getting a big collection for a price, but in fact they are not exactly this. There are a lot of duplicates. I bought it just for the sake of one adapter. I had to buy all these, and there are many duplicates. Anyways, but hopefully they will become handy one day. So I wanted to buy adapter for this laptop, and by the time this came, I already found an adapter secondhand and bought it for 15 bucks. So I think this one, the blue one, maybe. Yeah, that's the one. And we have two of them. Yep. Let's see how many duplicates we have. Yeah, it's hard to tell actually. Even though these looks identical, this is a little bit smaller, the hole inside, just a tiny bit. But this one and this one, I think they are identical. And they have letters here: C, H, another H, another an N, D, C, A, B. So just random letters, and they are repeated. I wish we had duplicates of these, the unique ones, the rare ones, the tiny. Not these are very common. Well, it's nice to have it in the collection. I do have another 20 maybe or something from a different collection that I bought, but this is the biggest. I didn't want to buy this before because I know they are repeated and it's just extra stuff that I don't need, and now I have even more. Anyways, thank you for watching.